Hi everybody, it's Ms. Hunsaker here. If I haven't met you yet, I'm your child's algebra teacher, and this is just a quick video to let you know what's going to go on in algebra this week. Attached to this email, you will find basically our week at a glance for algebra. It's got their learning goal, some announcements, and what they're going to do this week. This week we're focusing on being able to graph, interpret, and convert linear equations. So if you don't remember that term, linear equations, it just means we're playing around with straight lines. You know, y equals mx plus b, if that rings a bell. So your assignments, your students' assignments, there's a worksheet to fill out. And we are also working in Mathia. If you haven't seen that yet, it is an online computer learning system for math. If you have the option to use a computer and have your student on there, it's really great because it gives out hints and it actually kind of is like a helping them learn instead of them just doing a worksheet sitting by themselves. So that is their job. They're going to finish 2 parts in Mathia and work on a worksheet. Another thing you'll want to notice is that I'm going to have Zoom office hours on Tuesdays from 11:30 to noon. You have the ID and password to get in. I've also added some things you can check for or some questions that you can ask your students as they're working, and ways to contact me in this. This is all also on your students' Canvas, so I'm going to switch over to screens here. This is what their Canvas should look like. Again, this is the information for all my Zoom office hours on Tuesdays. And then this here is what they're going to be learning this week and what they have to do. So first of all, it'll show you the worksheet that they have to do. So you can click here. It'll take you to that assignment and where you can download it. We have it translated in a couple of different languages if you would like a translation of the instructions. Once students are done with that, they can take a picture of it and hit the submit button up here and submit it, or maybe even take a video of themselves doing it. There's a lot of different ways they can submit it, get creative. Back on our home page, you'll also notice as it loads that I've written down what they need to do in Mathia. So I've made a couple of videos about how to log into Mathia if they're new to that. And then I've also got a couple of videos here that will actually help them go through some of the problems. They can be a little bit tricky, especially trying to do math on a computer. I know I tried to do them myself, and there were times when I was having issues just trying to figure out what the computer wanted. So I made videos to help them get through the problems, some explanations. So make sure to watch those because I personally think they're really helpful. After they finish what they're supposed to do in Mathia, I'd love it if they take just a quick 3-minute, 2-minute survey, just asking them what they learned, how it's going, and what I can do for them. Please feel free to contact me. My email's right here. You can contact me through Parent View as well, and let me know what questions that you've got. All right. Have a good week.